once you download and open VS Code, you are likely to be welcomed by this interface here. This is the welcome window for the VS Code. So assuming that you have not done anything before and that you are getting started right now, then you can start by opening a folder by coming to this button here or icon, this icon, or alternatively you can hit this icon and you can open a folder. Then you can navigate to where you want to place your folder. In my case, I want to place my folder on the desktop, so I will select the desktop. Then I will create a folder here. And I will call my folder the first tutorial. Select the folder and enter. The VS Code will open the folder for us. In our folder VS, maybe I can zoom it a bit so that we have a bit, can see it. This is our folder that we have created, the first tutorial. Next, you need to start by creating the file that you will be working on. In our case, we can call our file main.py because it is a Python-based file. We can close the welcome window because we do not need it. One thing that you will note with the VS Code is that if you type something here, maybe I can simply paste what I have already copied, you will notice that the line that you type will continue like this without lapping. So because this may be a bit challenging when you are coding or you are writing your code, you need to start by setting the VS Code in a way that it will lap the code for you so that you can have a better view of each line of code. So in this case, you are going to go to the settings, select the settings, type word wrap, because we want to wrap the words that we type. By default, the word wrap will be off, so you need to turn it on. In this case, I will turn it on and then close the settings. Now you can see that our line of code is now lapped, and now we can view it whenever we type it. This will be replicated, so if I paste the line once again, you can see that it is not behaving as it did in the first case. This is one of the things that you need to do so that you can have a better experience with your coding process.